Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to swap out the oil of the transmission. It should be a very straightforward process, as I did it in the green Maluch a couple of months ago. Obviously, first of all, I have to drain the oil from the car. Luckily it's warm at this stage because I drove the car here maybe 500 meters, so draining it should be very quickly done. And then I have to fill in the new oil, which I purchased yesterday. And it's a standard transmission oil here from Liqui Moly. A liter is sufficient, as it was for the green car as well, so I have some experience in that. It shouldn't take very long. I have to jack up the car, drain the oil, refill the oil, and then hopefully the car will drive again. There are no issues with the gearbox, but as I haven't changed the transmission oil ever since I bought this car, obviously it has been changed during the restoration process, but that's a few years ago already, so maybe it's time to swap the transmission oil. Better safe to be sorry. Better safe than sorry. Anyway, this process shouldn't take very long, so let's get started. So the oil is out of the car. It's now time to refill it. I have this tool right here. It's a square-shaped instrument in order to open the square-shaped bolt, which is in the transmission where I put the oil in, where I have to put the oil in. It should open easily, hopefully so, because if it doesn't open, I'm kind of screwed right here. But anyway, let's stay positive. So this is a very easy process. I will open the engine compartment here, put the hose through there, and yeah, unfortunately from this perspective you can see there's the bolt that I have to open, refill the oil, and then just drive home. So keep your fingers crossed and let's do this. And this is the apparatus that I built with this thing. I still don't know how it's called, with the hose, and the hose goes directly into the transmission. Here's the oil. Just to be safe, should everything go south, I have something to catch the oil with, but everything should be okay. So let's do this. It seems to be working. Unfortunately, I can't get this bottle to open without hurting myself. But let's continue. Just, I guess, a minute or two, then all the oil will be out here into the gearbox. Then I can close up everything and go home. And that's a wrap. As you've seen, it's a very straightforward process. Jack up the car, open one bolt, let the oil drain, close it up, open another bolt, let the new oil go into the transmission, close it up, and that's basically it. I believe I haven't shared the oil swapping process while I was doing it with my green Maluch. So I wanted to record the process, how it goes, and I guess it doesn't need any more explaining, and everybody can do it by themselves. And so if I can do it, everybody can do it, because I'm no talent mechanic, as I've said a number of times, but I try to learn as much as possible, and if I can save me some money by not going to the workshop, I do that gladly. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, leave your comments down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.